In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the camera on your Google Pixel 9. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to capture and edit stunning photos and videos with ease. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel 9 and locating the camera app on your home screen. The app icon typically resembles a camera lens. Once you tap on it, the camera interface will load. It is important to ensure that the camera lens is clean, as this will help you achieve clear and sharp images. After confirming the lens is clean, take a moment to explore the various modes available, such as photo, video, and portrait. Each mode provides unique features that enhance your photography experience. Familiarizing yourself with the interface is essential for capturing better photos. Next, you can begin capturing photos or videos. To take a photo, simply tap the shutter button, which is usually located at the bottom center of the screen. If you wish to record a video, switch to video mode by selecting the video icon. To adjust the focus, tap on the subject you want to highlight on your screen. Additionally, you can use the zoom and exposure controls, which are typically found on the right side of the screen, to refine your shots. It is advisable to hold your phone steady during this process to avoid blurry images. Experimenting with different modes can also lead to creative and unique shots. After capturing your media, you will want to review and edit your work. To do this, open the Gallery app, which may appear as a colorful photo icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the gallery opens, you will see thumbnails of your captured photos and videos. Select the item you wish to review. The editing tools will be accessible once you open a photo. You can crop your images, adjust brightness, and apply various filters to enhance their appearance. This is a great way to ensure your content looks polished before sharing. After editing, you can share your media directly from the gallery. Look for the share icon, which usually resembles 3 interconnected dots or lines. Tapping this icon will present you with various options for sharing, such as social media platforms or messaging. Apps. Select your preferred method to share your content with others, ensuring your creative work reaches your audience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.